Ollie, why are you in the window?
Yeah, I think he likes it there.
You can't really tell it's a window because of the
Big old mouth.
Hey, he's
You
a
put
pup.
your fingers down and he gonna put them in his mouth. Let's see what happens, what he does.
He's like, what the?
And we're off.
To another.
Wait, just in case he jumps.
I hope he doesn't fly out the window.
You trying to get more secure.
You like it?
Ollie!
I said secure.
Sucker.
You need to put some.
Ollie, you are real life in this window. That car was closed. I turned around and his front end was right there.
Window.
I really can't believe he's just riding.
Weirdo.
Maybe that's where he feels the wind.
That's a cute picture of us.
Cause he's not in the
Y'all
picture.
ugly.
1, 2, 3. Ollie! Ollie! His ears, I love when his ears go up and his head turns sideways.
That's the dog face.
And we out. Strolling.
Dude, put up the peace sign.
I don't have to put up the peace sign.
Put it
Oh,
up.
Ollie's going for the window. He going for the window.
Don't you open up that window.
Look at him just crawling through.
Don't hold it in your
Bye.
face, guys. Release it.
Beep beep.